Hey everyone. I got a Ford Excursion 2004. I don't know if it matters what year, but this seat was stuck in the down position, right? So I tried a whole bunch of things, and I was like, man, I can't move this thing. It was crazy. Well, couple things. We got lazy, and so this headrest, we had it in here, right? Okay, that's probably the first problem. If you put this, I'm just trying to put this in with one hand while I record here. If you have the headrest on there, which most people are probably too lazy, especially if they have a lot of activity moving the seat, to take the headrest off, put it in there like you're supposed to. So you lower the seat, right? You back on that, goes forward, and then your headrest is here, and your kids get on there, and oh, I've got the headrest backwards. Darn it. Oops. So the headrest. Hold on, folks. Sorry about this video. The headrest is supposed to be the other way. Let's see if I can put that on there real quick. I just wanted to make a video on this because I couldn't find one on the internet, and this is a really annoying problem. So, okay, headrest in there, right? Like normal people, you're not going to remove the headrest every time, right? Because it's just annoying, right? If you're like me. So, the seat's down, right? And it's jammed in there, right? Because your kids get in there and it's locked into place, right? And the headrest is down right there. All right, so for a while this wasn't a problem, and I'm not sure what changed. But for some reason now, I would pull on this, right? And it's unlatched right there. That unlatched it. But I would come over here and I would pull on this thing, and I could not move it. Like, not for the life of me, right? Like, I'd get up here with both my feet over here, pulling up over here with both hands, nothing, okay? So I wanted to show you this, if I can get a good angle here. What I'm going to do is, you want to disengage the latch here, right? Okay? So you can hear it disengage too, okay? You want to make sure that your front seat is forward if necessary. And this is as far forward as you can do it, right? But it's still, like, you can see, like, over here, the headrest is kind of fitting into the groove of this seat, no matter how you have it. So what you want to do is, okay, I'm gonna tell you, and then I'm gonna try and show you. What you want to do is, you want to stand back here, and you want to push forward on this while you're pulling up on this, okay? And that, for some reason, and if it gets kind of stuck while you're doing that, reach over and lift this up again, because sometimes that locks. So let's see. I have this. I'm gonna have to get a stool or something to show you guys, because right now, hold on. I'll be right back. So we're back, everyone. I just wanted to make this really clear, if I could, because it's a tough fix if you don't know how to do it, and it's really easy if you do know how to do it. So what happens, I think, is this gets stuck down in here and locked into place with the headrest, okay? Because it's annoying having to get it in and out. And usually if you have kids, you don't fold it down all the way anyway. You just kind of fold it down some way, and it never locks into position. But if it locks into position, it's really hard to get out of here with the headrest down, unless you know the trick. Like, if you come from the side and you're trying to reef on it and do this, for some reason it's really difficult to do that. So here's how I figured out how to do it. I just wanted to show you, because there's no videos out there, so I just want to show you really clearly how to do it. So what you want to do is, you want to push forward on this part while you're pulling up on this part, but you have to make sure your lever is disengaged. So the first thing you want to do is, like, disengage the lever, and you can hear it, like, disengage, right? But if you come here and you pull up on this, it's not going to work. So what you want to do, make sure your lever is disengaged, okay? Then what you I don't know, I found like if I just put my foot here, then just reach down while I'm pushing forward, just lift up, and then it disengages a little bit more, and then pull on the lever again, and then it gets it past that thing. So it's almost like a couple stage thing. You reach down, you disengage a little bit, you pull on the lever again, make sure it's disengaged, or you can probably have someone holding the lever for you the whole time, but just if it's just you, that'll work. And then if you don't want it to get locked like that, and you're gonna push it all the way down, just take the headrest off, it pulls out, put it into those holes right there, and it unlocks really easily. So I hope this helped. There's no videos out there that I could find, and the explanations are difficult. What do they say, a picture's worth 1,000 words, then a video's worth 1,000,000,000 words. So I hope this helped you guys. Super would have helped me earlier today, but there was nothing. So thanks for watching, everyone. Have a good one.